Hi, my name is Stephanie Wills, and I'm going to be talking to the junior high today about cyberbullying. First, let's talk about the definition of cyberbullying. What is that? Cyberbullying is any type of harassment, threatening, demeaning language that takes place online. The most common platforms for cyberbullying include Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and online video games. Cyberbullying can be done on a cell phone, a tablet, a computer, social media, anything like that. Some forms of cyberbullying that you may have heard about are exclusion, where people are deliberately excluded from someone or a group. Harassment, which is sustained intentional bullying. Outing, which is publicly humiliating people in front of other people. Cyberstalking, which is harassment through online media. Fraping, which is logging into someone's account and impersonating them. Making a fake profile, which is basically setting up a fake profile on social media and then talking to someone to gain information about them. Dissing is sending or posting cruel information online. Trickery is gaining trust and then sharing private information with others. Trolling, personally attacking someone on social media, or catfishing, which is stealing an online identity and then using that identity to make friends or get information about someone. Just some different statistics and information. One study was done from the U.S. Department of Education, and they asked different high schools and different school systems about cell phone use and if that had any indication or correlation with daily or weekly cyberbullying. And from the information that they found, is schools that did not allow students to use their cell phones actually had higher rates of daily and weekly cyberbullying, which may suggest that a lot of that cyberbullying is taking place outside of school hours, on the weekends, in the evenings. Girls are more likely than boys to be both victims and perpetrators of cyberbullying. 1/3 to 1/2 of youth have been a target of cyberbullying. So looking around the room, almost half of you have been a target of cyberbullying at some point. And more than 1 in 10 students has admitted to cyberbullying someone at least once. More teen suicides are now attributed in some way to cyberbullying than ever before. So what are some other effects of cyberbullying? Some effects of cyberbullying are depression, skipping school, having bad grades, bad health, becoming bullies themselves, and giving up, committing suicide. What kind of legislation or laws are out there against cyberbullying? Right now, 49 states have bullying prevention laws, and a few states criminalize cyberbullying, which means that you can pay fines or even go to jail for such behavior. So they are definitely looking into more of that and trying to keep people safe. What can you do as students here at our school to protect yourself and to protect others? The first thing you can do is report it to your school. Report it to me, your principal. Report it to your teachers. Report it to anyone, family members. Report it. Collect evidence. Take a screenshot, save the image. Number 3, report to the site, the app, the game, wherever the cyberbullying is taking place. Talk to an adult, like I said, someone at the school, your parent, a friend, someone that you feel close and can trust. Let them know. Care. Show other people that you do care, that they're not alone, that you're going to be their friend and they're there for them. Work together. Post kind words. Encourage each other. Instead of posting bad things about each other, really post positive things. Tell the person that's cyberbullying to stop. And don't encourage it. Don't stand on the sidelines and watch it happen. But also remember to stay safe. Don't put yourself in harm's way. And also remember, don't give up. We need to stop the cyberbullying in our school and in our community. Thank you for your time today. Here are my references for my presentation. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.